श्रीमान् वेङ्कटनाथार्यः कवितार्किककेसरी वेदान्ताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्ताम् सदा हृदि स्वादयन्निह सर्वेषाम् त्रय्यन्तार्थम् सुदुर्ग्रहम् स्तोत्रयामास योगीन्द्रः तम् वन्दे यामुनाह्वयम् नमो नमो यामुनाय यामुनाय नमो नमः नमो नमो यामुनाय यामुनाय नमो नमः यत्पदाम्भोरुहध्यान विध्वस्ताशेषकल्मषः वस्तुतामुपयातोऽहम् यामुनेयम् नमामि तम्
श्रीमत्कृष्ण समाह्वाय नमो यामुनसूनवे यत्कटाक्ष एकलक्ष्याणां सुलभः श्रीधरः सदा नमः यामुन पाद अब्ज रेणुभिः पावित आत्मने विदित अखिल वेद्याय गुरवे विदित आत्मने नमः अचिन्त्य अद्भुत अक्लिष्ट ज्ञान वैराग्य राशये नाथाय मुनये अगाध भगवत भक्ति सिंधवे।
निरास कस्यापि न तावदुत्सहे महेश हातुं तव पाद पंकजं वृषा निरस्तोऽपि शिशुस्तनन्दयः न जातु मातुश्चरणौ जिहासति.
This is in tune with Vedanta Deshika's Godastuti, 27th verse. 27th verse. You can compare that and then following Sri Yamunacharya, Vedanta Deshika said this 26th of Godas. Later on we can see that. Let me also recite Nirasakasyapi natavadutsahe Mahesha, he Mahesha Hatum tava pada pankajam Rusha nirastaha api Shishuhu Tanandhayaha Najatu Matuhu Taranau Vihasa. Malini madam, can you read the English translation?
O Mahesha, even if thou drivest away, I cannot relinquish thy lotus feet. A suckling does not at all desire to leave its mother's feet at any time, even though it has been rejected by her in anger.
So, very beautifully translated. Mahesha cannot be translated into English easily. Therefore, we get O Mahesha. Mahaisha, he is the highest leader. So Aishwaryam is the good quality of the Lord. So Mahaisha, the greatest leader. Mahesha is a connotating word for Lord Shiva also. He is also called Maheshwaraha, Mahaishaha. So we are talking about the grandfather of the Lord Shiva. நாராயணனை நான்முகனை நாராயணன் படைத்தான், நான்முகனும் தான்முகனா சங்கரனை படைத்தான். இது ஆழ்வார் statement. So Mahesha, we are talking about the what we call grandsire, S-I-R. He says, Ramanacharya says that even though you sometimes are indifferent towards you don't say exactly as drivest me away or reject me. So nirasakam, nirasakasya. Actually, asi to throw, asi to be indifferent. So niras also is to keep away. The Lord is not happy over our actions, and therefore he is little indifferent. He turns his face away. So nirasakasyapi. Though I have been rejected little, I have been thrown away a little, but drivest me away. In the sense, Lord gets angry when we do some wrong action, prohibited by Shastras like scripture. So na tavad utsahe. Even though I have been rejected, tavat, that much I do not utsahe. I'm not able to. I'm not capable of leaving you. I can't leave you. Even if you reject me, I can't leave you. Well, what do I want? I don't want to leave. What do I don't want to leave? So, Tava Pada Pankajam. Tava, your Pada foot, Pankajam lotus. The lotus is born, B-O-R, in the mud. Even though it grows in water, we say the word for lotus is Pankajam. Pankajam is the word which was born in mud, a dirty object. That is, so from the panka, you get the pure, beautiful, cool, bright, flower, all lotus. Now the word panka refers to the individual soul who performs the wrong action. So the lotus is the purity of the Lord is the lotus. The lotus is comparable standard to the foot, divine foot. So I can't give up your feet. I can't remain without approaching your lotus feet. Hatum to leave. Hatum to leave. You want to leave me, but I don't want to leave you. Why you want to leave me? Because I am not doing something right in my life. But I can't dismiss your divine feet because I have to keep your divine feet in my heart because I need you. I need your protection. And we have already seen in the previous quotations from Alvar's Prabandham, Abi Kumaikum Ivar Shittinbam, Palakatti ni Paduppayo. You are lying down without caring for me, but you have created lot of distracting things. All the pleasures of the world wean me away from you, and therefore you also want to escape from me. You cannot escape. I have to keep you in my heart. I don't want to leave you. That's me. Now, what is the example? What is the parallel? This is what we call Arthantaranyasa Alankara, a figure of speech beautifying a verse. Namely, one general statement supports the special statement. And this is what we call Artha Antara Nyasa. There is another meaning given and it is combined here. A special statement substantiates the general statement. That is the beauty here. Rusha, the special word is Rusha. The mother gets angry with the child. The child is doing something like pranks, mischief. The child is mischievous. The child does not obey the mother. Doesn't know whether it should obey the mother or not. So small a child. What happens is mother not really angry. Mother does not get really angry, but he shows her anger a little. It's actually feigned anger. It's a false anger. The mother will never give up the child. The mother will never desert the child. You have today the concept of cradle baby. A cradle baby is not the concept of a mother. The mother will always love the child. She will never discard the child. Therefore, Rusha is not real anger, but it's a feigned anger. Again, the word Rosham, I think you have heard about Rosham in Sanskrit. Roshaha. Whenever you are blamed for the mistake that you have not committed, you get angry. We get angry when we don't do anything wrong. Somebody blames us. Then so we get angry. That anger is called Rosha. So the child, without the knowledge, without the proper knowledge, yes. The knowledge, the other word is anger, the word for anger is kopa, and the fury is called krodha. Extreme anger is called krodha, fury. That is emotional outburst. But here Roshaha is a person, I mean, here it is a child. The child is blamed by the mother and she gets angry. The false anger. So Rusha, by a light anger. Nirastaha, though the child is pushed away. There are two situations. A very small child wants to have mother's milk, and there are many reasons why the mother rejects the baby without giving the milk. So nirastaha, the first word in the verse is nirasakasya. Again, the same root, nirastaha. So a child is rejected. Nirastaha api. Even when the child is rejected. So child, the word for child is shishu. Shishu is, what kind of child is? Sanandhayaha. It is a breast-fed child. Mother's milk is being drunk by the child. There is no other food available. The best food is mother's milk for the small child. So stanam is breast. So dhayaha, the one who is interested in drinking the breast milk, stanandaya. So shishuhu stanandayaha, so small a child, which is a suckling child, suckling baby. It has no other refuge, no other shelter, no other food available. Nobody else will give. Only mother can give. That it is not replaced by any artificial manufactured milk. So that is not there. So in that case, if the child behaves little differently, the child is rejected by the mother for a little time, not for a long time. So nirastaha. So what happens is, Matuhu charano na jatu jihas. Jatu, ever. Jatu means ever. It's an indeclinable. Amyayaha. Amyayam padam. Jatu means ever. Na jatu means never. So kadapi means kadapi. Na kadapi. Never. Matuhu, the mother's charanau. Charanau, the 2 feet. The 2 feet of the mother. Jihasati, right, very good. So jihasati is leaves, wants to leave. So na jihasati does not want to leave. If the mother refuses to give the milk, then the child does not go away. The child is not indifferent towards the mother. It catches hold of the feet. Saranagati, that is what we call So total surrender by the child toward on the mother's feet. So we also, the Sampradaya, Vaishnava Sampradaya says, we have to cling to the feet of the mother. Mahalakshmi Sannidhi is the first resort for. Her feet is more important than Lord's feet. First we will catch the feet of the Lord, Goddess. So a child is a suckling child, the child which is fed by the mother's milk will never leave the feet of the mother. Generally, mother will be more affectionate, and if at all she shows some indifference, then the child will fall at the feet of the mother. Now, the point is, the human child, as soon as it is born, it knows how to suck the milk from the mother. That means the child has undergone a lot of births. We understand the practice of drinking milk from the mother is by undergoing a lot of births earlier. And the human child is not the first birth. The human child, our birth is not the first birth. We understand. After many births, we have become the human. Na jatu matu charanam. That's beautiful. So even though it has been rejected by her in small anger, fiend anger, then it doesn't leave the mother at any time. Because it beautifully given, does not at all desire to leave. Jihasati is desire to leave. The Jihasati also corresponds to the word Hatum in the second quarter. Hatum to leave. Jihasati is desire to leave. Ha is the root. Ha means leave. This is a beautiful meaning. So the Amanacharya gives a parallel that a child will not leave the mother, so also the devotee will not leave the Lord. So let's go to the word meaning, introduction, and also. Padavare. Mahesha, Sarveshwarane, Kasyapi, Nirasa Kasyapi, Yannaini Ahachit Tallinam. Even though the Lord is little indifferent towards me, Yannaini, again a little words are selfishly framed. Each one of us must pray to the Lord. Even though you push me away, Tava your Unnudaya, Pada Pankajam Tavatu, Tiruvadi Tamarai, Hatum Viduvadakku, in order to give up your lotus feet, na utsahe. I won't take any effort. I won't make any effort. Tuniyamaten. I won't be so bold enough to leave your divine feet. Divine lotus feet. Tuniyamaten, then this shows what we call karpanyam, as Ketudas Swami said it yesterday. The Akinchanyam, the child, the devotee child has no help, has helplessness. No other help is coming to him. I won't be interested in leaving your feet. I won't make effort to leave your feet. I am not bold enough to leave your feet. Because Sanandayaha Shishuhu, the child which is breastfed, Rusha, by anger, so by mother's anger, Kopatinal, Nirastaha api, Tayal Tallapattalum, even though it is the child is rejected by the mother for some time. Matuhu, Tainudaya, Sharanu, Kalhalai, the feet of the mother, Jatu, ever, Orupoludum, Najihasati, does not want to leave. Very simple meaning. So, Thiruvaimozhi 699, 698, and 813, I think we have seen for the verse number 25. The Avatarika, Nirasakasya, that is the first word of the verse. Nirasakasya ati. தேவருடைய ரக்ஷணாபாவத்தால் வந்த தேஜோஹானியையும் பாராதே என்னை கைவிடும் என்றும் நான் விடப்பார்க்கிறேன் என்று தம்முடைய அகதிகத்துவத்தாலே தம்முடைய மகாவிஸ்வாசத்தை ஆவிஷ்கரிக்கிறார். Sri Amanacharya exposes or reveals, tells us out the Avishkarikara, this great faith in the Lord. Mahavishwasa. Mahavishwasa, Rakshishyati iti Mahavishwasa is the limb of the total surrender. He will protect us. He will protect me. Selfishly, he will protect me. I must show my faith in him. So, Tammudeya Mahavishwasate. Why? Agatikatvatale. First step of this total surrender is Agatikatvam. That is what we call no other refuge is available. I told you earlier also, if at all and some other refuge is available, will we go? Even there we don't go. So even when we get equally better shelter, we will not go to that shelter. Because the problem is, in the Sanatana Dharma religion, we have got a pantheon of gods. And when we start choosing a god as our protector, the problem comes because of the myriad varieties of the protectors available. And it is called Goptrutva Varana, the choice of a protector. That is one of the steps of total surrender. So while we choose a protector, the choice must be very carefully done. So when you carefully choose a protector, you understand that only Lord Sriman Narayana will be the right protector. Nobody else. So Agatikatvam. Agatikatvam is no other refuge is available. Therefore, I resort to the Lord. And what happens is, sometimes he is reluctant. Though he is the ocean of mercy, he is little reluctant. He is not saving us immediately. Rakshana abhavattal. The protection is not extended immediately. Doesn't mean he has no protecting attitude. Rakshana abhavam. Rakshana abhavam is not there. He takes little more time to protect us. And Tejo Hani. People, see, there are good people, there are bad people. Two categories of people. If the good people are not protected, bad people will blame the God. If sinners are protected, if those who commit mistakes are protected, Lord will be blamed. Look at the two sides of the same coin. Namely, what happens is, one of the 6 qualities, important qualities out of the limitless number of auspicious qualities of Sriman Narayana, Tejaha is one. Tejaha. Tejaha is almost like what we call popularity, fame. The Lord is famous, but the popularity will be diminished, will have a black mark if the sinners are protected. So he says, though already we saw the previous verse where Sahajam hi dukkham. Abhutapurvam mama bhavi kimva sarvam sakhe me sagajam ki dukkham. I suffer, I bear the suffering. Why I suffer? Why I bear the suffering? Because I committed mistake. Because I did wrong action. I accrued sins and therefore I suffered and I bear the suffering out. So in that context, the Lord will not come and protect us. And therefore, Tejohani, again, you call the Lord as the ocean of mercy. Do we think that though we commit sins, He will come and protect? So then His quality, Tejaha, will be diminished, will be reduced. So He is not worried about it. He is not worried about it. One example, classical example, prominent illustration is Vamanavatara, the Lord in taking incarnation like a dwarf and being born as a younger brother of Indra to sage Kashyapa and Aditi. Therefore, he did not care for his what we call the status consciousness. I am the greatest Lord. Why should I go and beg Mahabali Chakravarti? The demon, that is the attitude. So then Tejohani, that will give become harmful to his Tejaha, the status. He lowered his status. In Krishnavatara, though he was born as the king's son, Vasudeva is a king, a royal family person. Though born in a royal family, he went and moved with very low people like cowherds and cowherdesses. And he lived as one of them. And then every cowherd thought that Krishna was born to Yashoda in Gokul. Such a beautiful impression was given by Lord Krishna. And Lord Krishna's what we call Saushilyam is shown. By showing the Saushilyam and also Saulabhyam, easy accessibility, Saushilyam is non-differentiation of that status of the Almighty moving with the people low, but of course devoted. Both qualities, Saushilyam and Saulabhyam, mark the Lord Sriman Narayana, and therefore Krishnavatara was so much famous for these two qualities. Ramavatara, of course, he went to the forest for 14 years, helped the sages, protected them from demons onslaught, and of course, great people approached him. The monkey Sugriva approached him, so he surrendered. Vibhishana surrendered. Demon surrendered. They were all leaders. Sugriva was the leader of a group. Vibhishana was the leader of a group. Whereas Krishnavatara, all people, cowherders, they have not studied Shastras, they have nothing, no knowledge of God, but they depended on Krishna. So Krishnavatara Saulabhyam and Saushilyam. That is what we see here in the introduction, Avatarika. Virasakasyapi natavadutta. Tejohani. Then, even if the Lord has the attitude to give up the devotee, ennai kaividumannu, non vida parkilile, I won't leave you. I won't reject you. I won't be indifferent towards you. Vyakhyan. Virasakasyapi rakshakatvam swarupamaayirukkiradhe. That we have been saying that Lord is a kind protector. is a benign protector. Rakshakatvam Swarupamaya. The original nature of the Lord is protection. Ramavatara says Abhayam Sarva Bhutebhya. Krishnavatara says Sarva Papebhyo Mokshaisha. Sarva Papebhyo is three types of sins which Shastra says. One is Prarabdham, second is Sanchitam, third is Agami. So the sins committed from time immemorial, which should be experienced, suffered, Prarabdham. Sanchitam, we have collected sin. Agami, in future we are going to commit sin. So all these three types of sins will be pardoned by the Lord. Therefore, Sarva Papebhyo Mokshaisha. So this is also what we call Rakshakatva. While we approach a preceptor and deposit our burden, the burden is both merits and demerits. Merits and sins. Baranyasam, Prapatti, Sharanagati. The total surrender will be transferring the burden of our not only sins but also good deeds, the fruits of good deeds. Then the Acharya, the preceptor, will recommend our surrender to the Lord. That is, therefore, the Rakshakatvam, the protection, is the natural inborn quality of the Lord. Nirasakaraha Prasangabilya. There is no context situation in which the Lord will be indifferent. Lord will reject the devotee. In no way. இப்படிப்பட்ட தேவர் நிஷ்கருணராய் நிராசகரானாலும். So when the protection is the forte, the special quality of the Lord Shiva Narayana, what is the context in which he will become less merciful? I won't say Nishkarunarai. He has no mercy. So Nishkarunarai, Nirasakaranalu. If at all he becomes a tyrant, Vedanta Deshika calls him Tikshna Dandadharaha, ready with a weapon to punish the guilty. Tikshna Dandadharaha. He has got a rule of justice to punish the guilty. So Nishkaranai Nirasakaranalam, even if he rejects. Tavapada Pankajam Tavat Hatum Nota. There are three types of protection available from the divine feet of the Lord. Number one, Rakshakam. The protective attitude of the divine feet is called Rakshakam. Praptam, that is the destination. The destination is the divine feet. Our goal is the divine feet. Bhogyam, it is enjoyable also. We feel very happy to fall at the divine feet of the Lord. The divine feet are delectable. Bhogyam. Delectable is word of a bhogyam. Enjoyable to the full when we fall at the feet. So Tiruvadigalai, Rakshakamumai, Praptamumai, Bhogyamumana Tiruvadigalai, Mundura Munnam Vittu Jivika Shraddhai Pandugille. So he Naichara Sandhanam, he lowers his Yamunacharya lowers his status. That I am not deeply interested in making my life happy by resorting to the divine feet, which I did not understand earlier. These three aspects of the divine feet I have not understood earlier. After a long time, after a long delay, I have understood the greatness of the divine feet. Mundura Munnam Vittu Jivikkai Shraddhai Pandigirenill. I was not interested earlier. I could understand very late. This is now given a quote is given, quotation. கண்டார் இகழ்வனவே காதலன் தான் செய்திடினும் கொண்டானை அல்லால் அறியா குலமகள் போ. So in the presence of people, other people, the lover finds fault with the lady love. கண்டார் இகழ்வனவே. There are some instances which I will tell you just now. So கண்டார் இகழ்வனவே காதலன் தான் செய்திடினும், even though people blame in the presence of the husband, in the presence of the lover, கொண்டானை அல்லால், other than the husband, other than the lover, அறியா குலமகள் போல். A chaste lady, a chaste girl will never give up the husband. So kulamahal pol Arya, though she is ignorant of any other person who will come for protection, she always thinks of her husband. Kondani is husband. So kulamahal pol, a good lady will never give up the husband. Though blames are heaped upon her, tantrums are thrown upon her, she will never bother to leave. She will not leave the husband. என்று தேவர் ரட்சகர் அன்றியிலே ஒழிந்தார். Even though the Almighty is not interested immediately to protect us, புறம்பு போக்கில்லை என்று. There is no way that we will resort to somebody else. Purambu pokkille meaning we cannot go out and seek the shelter from anybody else. That is Purambu pokkille. Hey Mahesha, Tam Ishwaranam Paramam Maheswaram. So who is the Lord? Ishwaranam Ishwara, Lord of the gods. Paramam Ishwara, he is the highest God. Maha Ishwara is the greatest God. He is the God of gods. He is the greatest God. He is the highest God. Endrum Ishwara Sarva Bhutana. For all living beings, he is the Lord. Endrum சொல்லுகிறபடியே நிருபாதிக நிர்வாககன். He is the best administrator. He does not expect even the devotion from the living being. The individual souls even need not pray. He does not put conditions. So we are saying we have a concept in Shastra. We must totally surrender. We must observe all the steps of surrender. 5 steps of surrender. The helplessness, first karpanyam, akinchanyam, or agatikatvam, given by Periyavachan Pillai as agatikatvam. Then you have pratikulya varjanam, then anukulya sankalpa, avoiding the don'ts and doing the do's as prescribed by the Shastras. Then you choose a protector, Gopratvaranam, Rakshishyati iti Mahavishwasaha, great faith in the protector, and the total surrender. So these steps are there. But the Lord does not expect those steps. We followed the feet, that is enough. Sakrideva prapannaya tava asmi iti cha yachate. Beg only once. Fall down at the feet only once. Then again, so he is the best administrator without any condition. Conditionless administrator. Nirupadhika nirvahakananavani. That is the meaning of the word Mahesh. How can one be called a great leader? A great leader will excuse the servant. the slave. சம்சாரத்திலே பந்தங்களைப் போல கர்மோபாதிகமாய் புறம்பே போய் உஜ்ஜீவிக்கிறேனோ. We have got what we call binding constraints in life. Samsaratil, in the life here, the human life in this world, we have got lot of commitments. We have got what we call encumbrances. That is called bandhanga. Lot of relatives, friends, plus some conditions which chain us to the life, which fetter our feet to the life. Then, what is the reason? Karmopadikama. Because of our actions. Because of our actions in the previous birth, we have been conditioned in this human life with a lot of commitments. We have been doing good actions and bad actions. Both of them bind us in the life of the world. Purambe poi ujjeevikireno. Am I resorting to somebody else? Do I go out of Lord Shivan Narayana and seek some other shelter? No, it is not possible. So 238, Sugurdam Sarva Bhuta. Because he is a friend to all living beings. Sita said to Ravana, please become a friend to Rama. Maitri tena maitri bhavatu te. You just become a friend. It is enough. So Sakha friend. Tvameva mataja pita tvameva bandhuscha Sakha tvameva. So feel friendly with the Lord. That is enough. So Sugurdam Sarva Bhutanam. He is a friend of all the living beings. And 239, Sarvesham eva lokanam pita mata cha madhavaha. Mahalakshmi's husband, Mahalakshmi, mother's husband, namely Shivan Narayana, Madhavaha, he is the mother and father to all the worlds. Sarvesham eva lokanam. For all the creation, he is the parent. Single parent, two roles rolled into one. Mother's attitude and father's attitude. Father's little punishing attitude, mother's affectionate attitude. Pita Mata. The mother and the father, the parents of a child, do not put any condition on the child. So Nirupadhikamana. So Pita Mata cha Madhavaha ennum Nirupadhikamana. In today's context, there is no expectation from the children by the parents. Parents do not expect anything from the children. If they have some expectation, they may have suffering. So no expectation from the children, the next generation. And therefore Nirupadhikama. So Parivam Sambandhamum Purambe Undai. So they have affection towards the children, Parivam. Sambandhamum linked with the children. And this is what we call worldly matter. This is worldly matter. Loving our children and having links with the children is only worldly matter. And in that situation, we must not give up the connection, our connection with the Lord. Devarai vittu poi ujjeevikavu. Our life cannot be full without our connection with the Lord. We have connection with our children, we have connection with our friends and relatives. We are affectionate with each other, towards each other. We are affectionate, very affectionate. We establish our friendship. We restore our links to relatives. But that is not enough. So our life will have fruition, our life will be purposeful only when we connect ourselves to the Lord. So now the parallel is there. Sanandaya Shishuhu, Rusha Nirasto. The only possibility to live, to sustain life for a suckling child is breast milk, sanyam, breast milk, tarakam. It will make the child grow. It will prevent the child from dying. Very, very important life medicine, rejuvenation elixir. Rejuvenating elixir is milk, mother's milk to the child. Jananiyale, because of the mother, krodhamadiyaha vidapattalum. He uses the word krodham here. Very light anger, it's not fury. Mother does not get furious seriously with the child. So Jananiyale krodhamadiyaha vidapattalum. Though child is rejected by the mother, for a little time I told you. Swarakshanatile Shakti is the child cannot protect itself. The child cannot survive without milk of the mother. It knows that. It knows that. As a child, it is aware that it cannot leave the mother. So, Sarakshanatile Shakti in this case. That meaning Ananyagatitvam. Ananyagatitvam. Agatikatvam, Ananyagatitvam, Kakinchanyam, Karpanyam, helplessness, Kaimudalillavai, no power to protect myself. All these are. Tadeka Rakshamana Dashi Tulugu. So we seek the shelter, only shelter. We resort to only one, namely mother. The child resorts to the mother. The devotee resorts to the Lord. Ivatma Vastu, our individual soul. Ivatma Vastu. The object is our individual soul. Ishvaraika Rakshamai. Ishvaraika Rakshamai. Only can be protected by the Lord only. Ishvaraha. Eka Rakshamai. There are two sides here. One is Lord is the only protector, and the individual soul is the only object to be protected. So Ishvara Eka Rakshama. Ishvara's responsibility, the Lord's Daitvam is a responsibility is to protect the individual soul. And the individual soul will seek protection from the Lord. Nitya Stanandayama Irayin. We are all children till our end of life. We are all suckling children till our end of life. We need mother's support. We need father's support. Both roles are played by the Lord. Tvameva Mata cha Pita Tvameva. Lokanam Sarvesham Eva Lokanam Pita Mata cha Madhavaha 239. And therefore, we have no other refuge. We have no other shelter. We are like the suckling child. We are like the child fed by the mother. We seek the help of the mother. We fall at the feet of the mother. And therefore, this is what we call the mother is more important than the father. Mother is the first to be approached. And therefore, you have Alvar's statement. Arishinattal Indratai Ahatridinu. Now we have three quotations. So we go to the next sentence in page 74. 74, yes. Indratai Ahatridinu. Matraval tan Arunaninde Arun Kuravi. The child weeps. The child weeps, thinking of the blessing from the mother, thinking of the grace from the mother. That is she will feed the child and she will protect the child from dangers. So the child weeps. Generally, we know that only when we demand, we get our supply. The child knows when to weep, how to weep for the milk. But here, the milk is what we call the blessing from the mother. So the child will go only to the mother and not to anybody else. Arishinattal, that is what we call the exact Tamil word for Arishinattal is, we say in with regard to the lying posture of the Lord Ranganatha or any other deity, I mean any other form of Ranganatha, namely he is doing a what we call fiending sleep. The fiend sleep. It's not a real sleep. He is acting. So Arishinam is fiend anger. Indrathai, the real mother. The real mother is called Indrathai. She is not a surrogate mother. She is not a what we call a rented mother. She is not a test tube. The baby is not test tube baby. And so Indrathai. So Arishinam endrum Virutta Dharma. The original mother getting angry really is a misnomer, is a paradox. The original mother getting really angry is a paradox. Viruddha dharma. Ekashrayatil sambhaviyadu endu. When there is only one resort for the child to approach the mother's feet, this will not happen. The original mother will not get angry. So, பிதாவுக்கு ஹிதார்த்தமாக குரோதம் சம்பவித்தாலும், I told you just now, the father is little cruel. The point is, the father is also interested in the welfare of the child, but he is little harsh in his attitude. That's all. As a male member of the family, as the leader of the family, in order to control the children and bring up the children in the right way, the father has got a harsh attitude. Therefore, Pitavukku hitarthamaha. Now, in order to please the husband, the wife wants to show some anger towards the child. That's all. In order to satisfy the ego of the father, the mother shows some false anger to the child. And she protects the child. She acts as though she favors the father. Pitavukku hitarthamaha krodham sambhavittat. The anger is born in the mother's mind just to show her love for the husband. Matru vishayathil sambhavanai illai. It will not happen to the real mother. Just for the what we call, just for the sake of showing anger, she shows anger. Jatu krittayana pododu adaritta pododu vashi. Now there are two situations when it comes to action and when it comes to support. The supportive action and the real action. The real action is the love of the child from the mother, mother's love for the child. The supportive action is anger, showing fiend anger. By showing the fiend anger, she wants to direct the child in the right way. So Matuschanam na jihasati, கையாலே தள்ளுகை என்றிக்கே காலாலே தள்ளினாலும் தள்ளிலும் அந்த காலை கட்டி கொள்ளும் அத்தனை ஒழிய புறம்பு போக பாராதா போலே. A child is pushed away by the hand of the mother. கையாலே தள்ளுகை என்றிக்கே. Even though the mother pushes the child with the hand, suppose she rejects the child by kicking by the leg, kalale tallilum. Now, this is only in what we call in tune with the attitude of the father. I told you, in order to please the father, the mother acts as though she rejects the child by the leg, pushing by the leg. அந்த காலை கட்டிக்கொள்ளும் அத்தனையும். So, which leg did she use to push the child? That leg will be resorted to, or the child will cling to that foot which wanted to kick the child. So also we do. So also the devotee should always cling to the feet of the Lord. Purambu boga parada pole, meaning the child will not resort to any other lady except mother. So again, what we call one object concentration, namely that is recommended in Sri Vaishnava Sampradaya, namely Lord Sriman Narayana is the only refuge, only shelter, only resort, only succor, only destination, only goal, and therefore he is all in all. He acts like a mother, he acts like a father. He shows affection towards us like a mother or a father or a friend or a relative and so on. As a teacher also. Navekshase yadi tato bhavananyamo nalam prabho bhavitumeva sutapravu. Evam nisarga sudhiti tvai sarvajantoho swamin vichitramidam ashrita vatsara. The word nisarga sugurdi is very important here. Nisarga sugurdi. We said just now, Sakha, be friendly with the Lord. So he is a natural friend. Nisarga Sugurdi, he has a natural friendship. Natural friendship in the sense, no conditions. Conditionless, nirupadhika sakhatva. The friend, our close friend does not put conditions. We don't have a contract between friends. We don't have a written contract between friends. There is no contract. There is no condition. Nisarga Sugurdi. For whom? Sarvajanto. If the devotee is devoted to the Lord, the affection will be shown by the Lord to the surrenderees. Ashrita Vatsala. That is that's what we saw in. The first half says, in first half says that we know already. The Lord is so merciful that the world survives, the world develops, the world grows, all the creations grow, all the creations develop, all the creations are happy, all the creations have welfare, because Lord looks at them. Lord blesses the whole creation with His merciful vision. It is a negative. The first half is double negative. So he is asking, where will be the progress of the world if you do not look at them? Yadi na avekshase, if you do not look at these worlds, na alam kutaha pravritti. There is no sufficient progress available. There is no enough development available in the world if you don't look at them. Now, what is that looking at them is a blessing look. The blessing look is necessary over the creation in order that the whole world will be in welfare. That is the reference here. Where the important part word is Nisarga Surudi. Of course, the Ramanujacharya said the Guru instead of Saka. Ramavatara said Tava Asmi. That's all. Tava Asmi. I belong to you. Of course, Krishnavatara says Braja. Braja, Mam Braja. Mam Ekam Braja. Resort to me. Mam Ekam Braja. Sarvadharman Parititya Mam Ekam Braja. Don't go to any other refuge. Fall at my feet. That is Sotaratnam said. This is in tune with the idea that we saw the commentary of verse number 26 that I delayed in understanding the greatness of the Lord. I delayed in understanding the greatness of the Lord. Of course, this is the one, the third line. Paluduboy Orindana Natkal. I have wasted my life. I have wasted my life. Yattanai Pagalum Paluduboy Orindana Natkal. I wasted all my days. Paviyen Onarad. I didn't realize that you are the protector. I had a friendship with my relative. I had affection towards my kith and kin. ஆவியே அமுதே என நினைந்து உருகி அவரவர் பனைமுல்லை துணையார் ஆவியே. My concentration was established my relationship with the friends and relatives in this world. But I didn't realize that you are the protector. தருத்துயரம் தடாயேல் உன் சரணல்லால் சரணில்லை. விரை குழுவும் மலர்பொழில் சூழ் விற்றுவக் கோட்டம்மானே. அரிசினத்தால் ஈன்ற தாய் அகற்றிடினும் மற்றவள் தன் அருள் நினைந்தே அழும் குழவி அதுவே போன்றிருந்தேனே. That is number 1. 5-1. கண்டார் இகழ்வனவே காதலந்தான் செய்திடனும் கொண்டானையல்லால் அறியா குலமகள் போல் விண்தோய் மதுள் புடைசூழ் விற்றுவக் கோட்டம்மா நீ கொண்டாளாக ஆகிலும் உன் குறை கழலே கூறுவர். That is number. Right. That's all. Right. You have found it. You have found it. Right. So this is number 1. 5-1. That's what I read just now. Tarutuyaram tadayel un saranallal saranai. So there are 2 points here. Number 1, because of my own actions in the previous birth, good or bad, I have been suffering. But because I suffer, I cannot reject you. Because I suffer, meaning that we sometimes think that Lord has given me the trouble. Lord has given me the trouble. It is not that Lord has given me the trouble. It is our own making. It is our own making. But there is no other refuge available. Un saranallal saranil. There is no other shelter available. Virai Kuravum Malarpuri, that's a Divya Kshetram called Vishnu Kotamma. Then we have the parallel. Arishinattal Indrataya Hatridinum Matavaldam Arun Nirende Adu Kurevi Aduve. Very good. O Lord of Vishnu Kodu, surrounded by fragrant wafting flower grove. If you do not help me overcome the obstacles you place in my path, that is what we say. You place in my path. Lord has not placed in our path any obstacle. The obstacle is our sins. So he is not placing in my path. So we have placed in our own path, that is road, obstacles. What are the obstacles? Even good actions are obstacles because punyam cannot give you moksha. The merits also will not help you to get moksha. So if you do not help me, so if the help is not extended, we call it indifference. You ask for help. When you don't get the help, then we say, Lord is indifferent. So I have no refuge but you again. Un charanallal charanille. Just as even if a mother beats her child, it not beats the child. It sometimes happens, pats the child with anger. Ahatidina pushes the child away. It's not beating a child. Pushes a child. Does the word beat meaning push? Push? No. Pushes the child. Ahatidina. In a fit of anger, the child cries to be pacified by the mother. That is the beautiful. It again shows the helplessness of a surrender. The helplessness of a surrender. This is the number one. So, Kandar Ihalvaname, Kadalandan Shedinum, Kondane Allal Kuriya Arya Kulamahal. Minpoi Madal Pudesho, Vitua Kotamani, Kondala Ajin, and Korega Kurva. Now, this particular 10 decade of Perumal ceremony, Kulashekara Valva, is very beautiful because it talks about the Lord as a mother. It talks about the Lord as a mother. That is Vittuva Amma. Vittuva Appa. He is not calling a Lord as father, but mother. You find Arangama Naharulani. I think regard to Tondadipolva Thirumalai, Arangathamma Palli Elundur, Tondadipudiyalva Tirupalli Ezhchi, Arangathamma Palli Elundurulayi. Madam Madhurajan, Santa Madhurajan will understand more. You don't call Ranganathan as father, you call Ranganathan as mother. Arangathamma Palli Elundurulayi. The same way, mother, the address is at the mother, not at the father. So mother's affection is more. That is the. So another example also Kulashekara gives. A doctor performs a surgery for removing a disease. He takes a knife, cuts some parts. It gives a lot of pain, but in order to forget the pain, you got sedatives, injections like what you call injections and what you call
anesthetic. Anesthetic.
Anesthesia. So anesthesia. So giving an injection so that you don't feel the pain. So anesthesia and sedatives. Later on, after the surgery, the sedatives are given. in order to alleviate or forget the pain. That's all. வாளால் அறுத்து சுடினும் மருத்துவன்பால் மாளாத காதல் நோயாளன் போல். A patient is there. The patient cannot hate the doctor because he took a knife and cut the part. Now the cancerous tissue, if the cancerous tissue is there in any part of the body, if the part of the body is removable, recently we have been hearing that what we call prostate gland cancer. The prostate gland can be removed. What we call the pancreas can be removed. In such a case, when the doctor uses a sharp knife, it inflicts a lot of pain. Even then, doctor cannot be hated. In the same way, Lord Doctor Sriman Narayana cannot be hated. வாளால் அறுத்து சுடினும் மருத்துவன்பால். In those days, surgery was by what we call fusion. Welding. The welding instrument. Instead of welding instrument, they used fire. Today, you have the welding instrument to connect wires in an electronic gadget. Welding instrument. The welding tip will be very hot.
So we say, in English, we say, you have to cauterize the wound.
Yeah. That's it. Right.
With fire to close it.
Right. That is it. That is right. Casterizes, no? But the patient loves the doctor. So he says, மீளா துயர் தரினும் வித்துவ கோட்டம்மா நீ ஆளா உணர்தவர்களே பார்ப்பன் அடியது. Even if give you a lot of suffering, I will stick to you. I will stick to your divinity. Who is Lord is not giving a lot of suffering. And he also, Perumal Tirumadi Kulashekhara compares us like a bird, very big bird. A very big bird tries to find the shore of the ocean. It goes to many places, flies, gets tired, but finally resorts to what we call a pole of the ship, a mast of the ship. And then the mast of the ship is the Lord. He compares us, the devotee, with lotus flower. The lotus flower needs the sunlight. Though the sun has a scorching heat, the lotus flower, in order to blossom, it needs sunlight. Kulashekhara has got the distinction of singing a lullaby to the Lord. மண்ணு புகழ் கௌசல்யதன் மணிவயிறு வாய்த்தவனே தென்னிலங்கை கோன்முடிகள் சிந்து வித்தாய் செம்பொன் கன்னி நன்மா மகள் புடழ் சூழ் கணபுரத்தென் கருமணியே என்னுடைய இன்னமுதே ராகவனே தாலேலோ. Whereas Tondadi Pudiyalvar woke up the Lord. Kulashekhara Alvar lulls him to sleep. And he has got Mukundamale for his credit. I hope all of you are elders. You know how Kulashekara was a devotee of Rama. There are two incidents in his life. He was roaming in the night to ensure welfare of the subjects. And when he came in a different attire form, what we call disguise, he came in some other disguise. He saw the drama of Rama going on there. Ramayana drama was enacted. And without realizing that it was a drama, he went to the stage, took the crown from Vasishtha's hand, put it on Rama's head, and Kaikeyi was demanding the boon from the Dasharatha. That was the love of Rama by Kulashekara. And also, he invited lot of Vedic scholars to his palace. He fed them daily. The ministers got jealous of the behavior of the king. They blamed one day that one of the Vedic scholars stole his pearl necklace. The pearl necklace actually was hid by ministers. And then Kulashekara Alvar, the King Kulashekara, made a promise that no Vedic scholar will steal. No Vedic scholar is a thief. And to prove the innocence of the Vedic scholar, he said, bring a very venomous snake and put it in a pot. I will insert my hand into the pot. If the snake does not bite me, that shows that Vedic scholar is never a thief. Kudattile Kudappambil Kayittavan. Then ministers realized that Vedic scholars are good, and every day they were allowed to take feast in the palace. That is the greatness of Kulashekara. There were two kings in the Alvar, apostles, 12 apostles of the Lord. Number one, Thirumangai Alvar, he was a king, and Kulashekara Alvar was a king. We could worship Kulashekara Alvar in Kerala.
Swami, you are going to talk about Godastuti also.
In 26th verse of Goda. 26th verse is this way. Jata paradhamapi mam anukamke gode goptri yadi tamasi yuktamidam bhavatyaha vatsalya nirbharataya janani kumaram stanyena vardhayati dashta payodhara. Vedanta Deshika prays to the Lord, though he says, though I commit a lot of mistakes, Goda Devi Andar will take pity on me because she is always pitiful like a mother. Because of the affection, lot of affection shown by the mother towards the child, even though the child bites the breast, still she will not refuse to give milk to the child. Vatsalya nirbharataya janani kumaram stanyena vardhayati. The mother helps the child to grow by offering the milk. Dashta payodharati. Even though the child inadvertently makes wounds on the body by biting. That's what. 27, sorry. 27. And not 26. The mother does not leave the child, even though she is harmed.
स्वादयन्निह सर्वेषाम् त्रय्यन्तार्थम् सुदुर्ग्रहम् स्तोत्रयामास योगीन्द्रः तम् वन्दे यामुनाह्वयम् नमो नमो यामुनाय यामुनाय नमो नमः नमो नमो यामुनाय यामुनाय नमो नमः यत्पदाम्भोरुहध्यान विध्वस्ताशेषकल्मषः वस्तुतामुपयातोऽहम् यामुनेयम् नमामि तम्
श्रीमत्कृष्ण समाह्वाय नमो यामुनसूनवे यत्कटाक्ष एकलक्ष्याणां सुलभः श्रीधरः सदा नमः यामुन पाद अब्ज रेणुभिः पावित आत्मने विदित अखिल वेद्याय गुरवे विदित आत्मने
कवितार्किकसिंहाय कल्याणगुणशालिने श्रीमते वेङ्कटेशाय वेदान्तगुरवे नमः।